Right. So we left off. I'm gonna continue working on the YouTube Shorts clipper. So essentially the idea of this project is you give it some video input, whether it should just be a local video, you know, MP4, whatever. You give it that, you feed it that, and then it should output like a bunch of clips based on the original source video that will go quote unquote viral. Similar to Opus.pro, if you guys know what that is. But yeah, let's get to it, man. Let's see. Code. ANE. No. Oh. YT. Okay. So we had two functions. We had process audio and then transcribe. This just converts whatever input file and outputs a 16 kilohertz mono audio for Whisper to consume, after which we call this, and it should transcribe the video using the turbo model. Yep. Okay, so now so let's write a couple of these things down, right? So let's just create a new one. Notes.txt, right? Okay, so I think the first thing is face detection, right? Because if I find a way to detect faces in the video, will help with cropping to a 9:16, I think is the aspect ratio. So things we have to do: crop to 9:16 aspect ratio for YT shorts. After we crop, add subtitles to video using SRT file. Based on the timestamps of the original video. And then, like I said, I have to do this as well. You know what? Let me fix this fucking shortcuts, right? Composer, this. Shift Command K. Edit. I think we do this. So there we go. And then if I do this, fuck yes, okay. And then, all right, fuck yeah. Finally. I don't know why I didn't edit that earlier. But, so we need to crop the video to a 9:16. We need to add subtitles to the cropped video. To the cropped video. Find a way to detect faces in the video. For cropping, yep. And then determine ways to detect interesting moments in the video. So I think so really what we're doing, or what we have to do, is the first one, right? Because if we know the interesting moments in the video, either be it I speak loudly or I curse or something, right? That would be an interesting portion of a video, right? So once we get the interesting portion, however long that is, whether it be 10 seconds, whether it be 20, 30, 60, whatever, we can determine, okay, if that's the interesting part, we can clip it however long, like I said, 30, 60, whatever the fuck. And then after that, all of this follows, right? Because if you have the interesting part, the rest is just FFmpeg formatting. And I'm pretty sure you can do 9:16 aspect ratio. But the problem is, how do we determine interesting ways? How do we determine what's interesting in the video, right? That I'm not too sure. So that's where we have to use AI to help us out here. Let's do... Can we do GPT? How do we go about determining interesting parts of a video? I essentially want to be able to analyze. I want to be able to extract the most interesting / funny / viral parts of a video. I essentially want to extract the most interesting, funny, viral parts of a video and create clips of them for social media. How can we go about doing this? Let's chat before implementing anything. Fuck. I think that's good, right? During the most interesting, human curation. Watch the video. That's not what the fuck I want to do, though. Yeah, timestamp annotations, videos. As a guide, audio implement computer vision techniques to scenes with high activity, facial expression, or specific actions. So we can do audio analysis, visual analysis, and text analysis. If the video has subtitles or transcripts, use natural language processing to identify keywords or phrases that indicate interesting. So I think the easiest for number 2 is text analysis, right? Because I can just get some fucking LLM, feed it whatever the fuck, and then it should output interesting content just based off the text. But I don't know if... Because just with text, a lot gets lost, right? So after I'm finished recording this video, I'm going to transcribe it, but the transcription doesn't tell you the tonality of the speaker, the emotion of the speaker. I mean, you can probably figure out the emotion just by context, meaning by like reading through the transcript and be like, okay, I read this part, he sounds like he's pretty angry, whatever. But I don't know how well text analysis would be. Like solely just purely text analysis to be able to extract interesting segments, right? Because like I said, like a lot gets lost with just text. You need the person to actually speak, their cadence, their rhythm, how they speak, their tonality, their way of being, whether they enunciate some words, whether they put on an accent, whether they try and a lot gets lost just by text. So I'm not sure if doing that would be all that useful, to be honest. But I think it'll probably be the fastest. Engagement metrics. Heat maps. Machine learning. Existing model. Google's Video Intelligence API. Clip. I never heard of this. Alright, I guess it's time to do some research. OpenAI clip, right? Contrastive language image pre-training. Clip. Should be clipped. But okay. Excuse me. The clip method trains a pair of models contrastively. One model takes in a piece of text as input and outputs a single vector. Okay, the other model takes in an image. Vectors corresponding to semantically similar text image. So wait. So you're essentially converting text and images into vectors and then train so that the vectors corresponding to semantically similar text. So then somewhere within vector space, the closer the vectors are to each other, the more they correspond with each other, is what I'm gathering from this. That's how I'm gonna interpret it. Whether it's correct or not. Okay, but what can you do with this? Cross model retrieval. Oh. Text image retrieval. I don't know if this is what I'm looking for, though. Let's see. No. I'm sure it's useful and I'm sure I can use it somehow in my project, but like it's not clicking with me at the moment. Let's watch a YouTube video, why not?
Let's learn. Superpower is amplifying you, opening up a new world of productivity, focus.
Hello friends, so in this video I'm going to take you through everything you need to know about the open source OpenAI clip model. I'll teach you everything you need to know about this model and how to use it in your personal code. This model is a very powerful model, and a good thing about this model is that it's open source. OpenAI have released this model for everyone to use. So fasten your belt, grab a cup of coffee, and let's explore this model together. So right from scratch, we'll start off from their GitHub repo. To this text is a dog. A process. This function right here will return us the image embeddings. So for the rule of thumb, in order to know this is working, I'm printing this result out, and if everything works successfully, this should return me the embeddings. Okay, so I'll just quickly run this and let's see what happens. So you can see how it has converted the image into embeddings. Okay, so this is for one image. This is a two-dimensional tensor, and you can see how long it is. So you can see it is the embedding that converted the image to embedding, and this is
Can we implement a hybrid approach? Define a set of I'm not doing this shit. No, cause this is like training a whole fucking AI to do this shit, bro. Like, I'm not trying to train my own fucking model, or I'm not trying to sit here and fucking like create my own data set. Define a set of textual descriptions that represent interesting or like, no, dude, I'm not doing this shit. Motion recognition models to identify segments with strong emotional expressions. This is what I'm looking for. implement first two. Apply the chosen emotion. Let's see. God damn, this is a big ass house. God damn, man. What's going on? Oh my god, I'm like in food coma mode right now, dude. Oh, I just had some tacos earlier, bro. Oh, that shit is kicking in right now. Like, I'm ready to go right now. All right, let's see. Maybe we should ask ChatGPT. Audio clips contributed by volunteers to train AI models. Okay. Okay, so open smile. Open smile. Open source speech and music interpretation. Oh. Okay. And they have a rapper? Shit. Let's see. Much of the internal complexity of OpenSmile returns a pandas data frame for convenience extracting baseline. On top of a new low-level C API called Smile API. Okay. But how do you use this though? Currently, 3 standards are supported. Is the largest. Oh, wait, it's that easy? Okay. That doesn't look that bad. So we have to do this, right? Let's do detect emotions. Detect emotion. And then let's see. That should be good. Fuck, dude, that shit, that food got me fucked up, bro. Like, I'm over here breathing hard as a bitch. Oh, fuck, dude. Import. Okay. Now, let's see if it's really this easy, right? Okay. This should do something, bro. Actually, we don't want to run it through there. We want to run it through here. Python clips extractor. Sure, override it. Why not? See, print. Sure. Just so I'm able to know that, because I don't know if this is from here or not, right? So yes, emotion detection results. Okay. I don't know what any of this fucking means. Docs. Change, contribute. COC, API source. What function do I call? I call process file. Okay, so you create an instance of the class, and it's not the class itself that has this process file method, right? No, oh, what the fuck is it called? Opus.pro. Let me detector. Work in progress. Um, but no, stop it. Stop it. Let's just use Claude, dude. I've enhanced the detect emotion function. Either train a machine learning model on these features or define threshold. What the fuck, bro? So, what I'm gathering is that this vectorizes the emotions and puts them into categories. What the fuck, bro? Vectors or numbers. When you run the code, you'll get numerical values for each. Let me show you. Any emotion classification based on these features. Okay, this is like very simple, right? Now when you run the code, instead of just getting raw numbers, you'll get a clear emotion classification. How would we? Okay, let's run this to see what happens. Neutral. So we're detecting emotions, but like this does it over the whole video. think... Fuck, dude. This is pretty hard. Like, there is no, like, one size fits all, right? You probably have to pick and choose and cherry pick a bunch of different methods, therefore combining all of those into one. Default 30 seconds of virality. Yes. Okay, well now we run this, right? So now the emotion it detected was sad and calm. Oh, wait. Make sure to let's see, make sure it should be good. Yeah. Script is running, but seems our threshold for emotion high for this particular case. The video appears to have mostly neutral colors. Some future warning. Let's be more sensitive, lower the virality threshold, adjust the emotion. Oh, alright. Great, now we're getting much better results. The script has identified several potentially viral moments. Yeah. Let's cool. So we have some basic thing working, right? Now I'm gonna have it extract those sections of the clips so that I'm able to just analyze them, click on them, and then we should be good. Okay. Probably not gonna run successfully on the first try, so I'm not expecting it to work, but if it does, then shit, man. Okay, looks like it worked. Okay. Hold the phone. Let's listen to this.
Can't come soon enough.
Why haven't they found the origin of the drone? I don't know why that's a hard thing to do.
Maya is joining us now from West Orange, New Jersey. And Maya.
That's right, Hallie.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about news and top story. BBC News social media.
That's pretty shit, but then again, like, the video that I'm giving it isn't all that great, so let's do that, and then let's do this. So this should be better. Apparently it's fixing some error or something. Extracting moment 1. Okay. Now it's actually extracting it. Okay. So finish. Let's see.
Information.
Adding to the concerns in the air, the FAA now saying they've received multiple reports of people shining lasers at aircraft in airspace spanning New Jersey, New York, and Pennsylvania.
I started seeing a green flash around the cockpit of the plane.
Ken Dietz, a private pilot, says in his 30-plus years of flying, he's never experienced a laser being pointed at him.
They were definitely tracking me. It stayed on me for a period of time.
Look what's back again. Same spot as last night.
For some residents, answers about the growing confusion.
Okay, so it does stuff, right?
When you hear that?
I mean, it's a security threat to the whole world, so I don't know how they could say that.
Meanwhile, reports of mysterious objects in the sky are being reported across the country, and some local law enforcement are taking action.
Okay, so it creates the clips. It then maintains the aspect ratio, but it does 9:14, or I think it's 9:16. Yeah, 9:16. This is fine. Okay, so now I want you to take into, so nice. Now when you do, now I want to use the transcription. Now I want to be able to use, now I want to use the transcription to now I want to use the transcription to also impact the let's talk about it. Okay, version 1.2. Working but not good, right? It works, but it's doesn't really, like, do that. Let's see. Great idea. Using transcription content can definitely help identify more viral worthy moments. Here are some key factors we can consider: trending, viral, breaking, shocking, emotional, controversial topics, questions. Is there a better way to do this than just naively implementing a keyword search? Because think about it. If I were to record myself and repeat the same words over and over again, and they were defined over and over again, and those words happen to be keywords that this algorithm uses, would that in and of itself not be considered a viral clip in this context? Is there a better approach? You're absolutely right. A simple keyword matching approach is too naive and could be easily gamed. Let's think about more sophisticated approaches. Natural language understanding. Instead of just looking for keywords, we could analyze semantic meaning and context of the content. This would help identify genuinely engaging narratives rather than just repeated keywords. We could use models like BERT or GPT to understand the context and coherence of the speech. Let me run this through one of my videos and see what kind of content or what kind of clips it generates, right? And how would this affect normalized audio of a video? So let's give it this one. This. Check the read sound effects. Fuck, man. Let's see. Volume, SanDisk, YT down, no. OBS recordings. Normalized audio. What's this? All right, let's see what happens. I think it's creating them. Let's see, let's look at the very first one, right?
Is scientifically proven to make hair 6 times stronger, preventing breakage by 84% while enhancing moisture. This is beauty that bonds.
Let's go volumes, SanDisk.
This big ass house. God damn.
Yeah!
What's going on? You look littler.
I don't really care what he's talking about. So that's... What about this one? Okay, we should probably download a quick video to test this on, right? Because I mean, I can feed it like my past recordings and my everything, but dude, this looks fine. This looks completely fine. This Kaizenat.
The Shea Moisture Bond Repair System with Hydroplex technology.
Well, let's see. Well, and I don't know why it determines it as angry, but I think it might be just angry because of. Where are my transcriptions? Duke Dennis Reunite clips. CPUs. So these are CPUs, and then my GPU is to the right, and it doesn't look like it's using any GPU. Oh wait, hold on. Well, okay, no, hold on, because OBS also uses my GPU, so I'm not sure actually. Dude, it's taking forever to process this. I think it's starting to dawn on me that to do this, it's probably easiest if I use AI for everything, right? Because right now what I'm doing is I'm defining a bunch of rules based on the information that I find, right? So I transcribe it. After that transcription, I find viral moments, and I do so with the transcription. Well, I do so mainly with detecting audio levels, pitch, and all of that other stuff with, what was it? With, I think, with OpenSmile, right? Okay, yeah. Let's do this. However, avoid avoid APIs that require internet connection or API keys such as OpenAI. I want this to run completely offline if need be and locally. So I think we first download the model. Good call for offline local pricing. That's fine. So, okay, that's the only change, and we already have it pushed. We're good. Okay. Hopefully this is better. Like if I were to be building like a whole SaaS for this, right? Because Opus.pro is essentially a SaaS of this. I would probably hire people that are smarter than me to create a AI that learns based off of the clips that you feed it from users, right? Okay. Let me delete the clips that are already here. These ones. Okay, I guess we're missing some dependency. It uses Whisper. Okay, but I think they should be my implementation, right? Okay, and then it's gonna transcribe the whole fucking audio. This is gonna take a while, dude. And then after this is done, After this is done, we're gonna have to add a dynamic way to... So right now, every clip that gets clipped up for the most part is 30 seconds. I have to find some way, or just tell it like, hey, clip the video based on if it makes sense or not. Meaning, if the video is 60 seconds, but there's like 40 seconds of just silence, why are you giving me a 60-second video, right? Unless I'm doing some funny shit within the video, but I'm not sure what the error is. Okay. There's no way this is running, right? Add a check to if it does, then right? Because if it's already there, if I run it once and it already generates the SRT file, I don't want it to keep on generating it. Okay, it's detecting a bunch of clips. This one. Okay, let's see.
Is scientifically proven to make hair 6 times stronger. Preventing breakage by is beauty.
Volumes. I don't really care what he's talking about. Download a quick video to test this on, right? Great, the script now runs much faster by skipping the audio processing and just efficient use of disk space, no duplicate files, ability to if the script was interrupted. The script still processes segments of push. Since those are memory-based operations that need done each time. No, so let's talk first. How can we we are already doing. Okay, so okay. Um, so using Apple Silicon. It's not creating the clips yet. Now it's creating the clips. Let's see.
Is science
illiterate. You.
Quick video.
Moisture bond repair system.
Use like it's easy as my GPU, so I'm not sure. Dude, it's taking forever to process this. Techniques. Okay, this is fine. So version 1.4 M4 optimizations. Now, how can we improve the trend often used? So this is for TikTok. Let's focus on I don't know why I failed. Perfect, let's optimize YouTube Shorts specifically. I like 1, 3, and 4. However, for 2, I won't always necessarily have educational content, right? So, is it really wise to implement that? Is there an alternative? Implement this. Just gonna implement it. I don't know if this is even good, right? Because at any point, YouTube can just decide, hey, I value, say, educational content over voice clarity, or some arbitrary feature that we don't have implemented, right? So I don't know. Now run it, fix any errors. I want to see. Let's see what happens.
Is scientifically
Is this on? Dude, this looks fine. This looks completely fine. This Kaisenat.
the shame
It looks like I'm getting the same fucking output, to be honest with you. It's using yes, actually. So I'm not sure, actually. The input uses more analysis. No, okay, so now you break down the system uses a multi-pass analysis. Scene detection to find natural breakpoints, quick audio energy analysis, basic filtering on duration clips. Calculate the final score with 5. How can we make this scoring system even better? Add modern content pattern analysis. I like these ideas, but they just seem to boil down to So if I you're absolutely right. Simple keyword matching is not sophisticated enough. But it's not being used to its full potential. Here's how we could make use. For basic narrative quality scoring, the model is only doing simple regression prediction, not leveraging model's full understanding capabilities. Proposed AI-driven improvements. So we have enhanced narrative model. But the thing is, can I run this? Is the thing. Let's see, right? Okay. Okay. Just downloading stuff. Honestly, I don't think this is gonna work on the first try, I'm gonna be honest. So we'll see. It's already 12. What the fuck? Okay. Errors that arise. Okay, so conda YT shorts. So conda activate YT shorts ampersand ampersand Python clips. Okay, so now we're getting syntax errors. Keeps running into errors. No errors. Okay, so you should create the folder, and then after creating the folder, yup, I should start writing files, yup.
Is science proven?
Sam, I don't care what he's talking about, but to test it.
The shea moisture.
You hold on. This is my Okay, so now how can we... All right, let me save this because it looks like it worked. I'm still getting the same output, so that's a little concerning. I would assume after we change the scoring, we would get different output, right? Even at least a little different, but yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure why. Let's try another video, right? Let's do version 1.5. That's fine. Okay, delete those. Cool. Now this is the same video, just not normalized, right? Actually, hold on. That's a good fucking thing to test. Because here I'm giving it the normalized audio, right? So what if it's not normalized? Will the output be different? Right? So let's do that. Let's test that. Okay, well this is gonna take a minute, so I'm gonna just let this thing run and then I'll be right back. In the meantime, I'm gonna stop the recording and then resume once we have something, right?